Yeah, good evening, everyone. Sorry, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, guys. So, what was the last topic we discussed?
Visa XML, sir.
Huh?
Visa XML, nested XML among that.
You're done, huh?
Nested XML.
You have done already?
Yeah, we have.
Okay. So, ORC, we have seen this. Guys, ORC files.
In XML, what are those you were planning to teach, sir?
Yes, yes. What's we did not see.
ORC we have not done, huh?
Yes, yes. We stuck in XML files.
No, actually, XML Visa up to nested XML. I don't know whether you have plans to teach us anything else in XML.
Okay, just let me check. Is the video uploaded in the class already? The XML video?
I did not check. Just a minute, I will check and let you know. Yes, it is there. I will check, sir. It is already uploaded, sir.
I'll check it.
Yeah, but we don't have 22 on a session not happened, right? 22.
Yesterday, day before yesterday. there was no
Yes, yes. Yeah, 21 uploaded.
Just a minute, I'm checking the file. Checking that.
So in that notepad, you have written reading and writing from XML files, reading data from XML file into data frame, reading data from nested XML file into data frame. So I think we covered everything.
Yeah. That's what we have covered already done. Okay. So, guys, today we'll start with the ORC files. Okay. So,
Yeah,
please tell me, Naga.
yes. Apart from any other XML file that is in for XML. We have seen multiple files in XML file, right? Okay. Is there any scenario in XML file that is enough?
What scenario you require it in XML?
Okay, we have seen multiple files in XML, right?
Almost all the combinations I showed.
Oh.
Parent attack. It's called a parent attack. Okay.
Yeah, please share. Yes.
Okay, guys. So now let us today we'll start with the reading and writing the data, guys. Reading and writing the data from the ORC files. Okay, guys. So let me give it as ORC, all of you. Reading and writing the data from ORC files, ORC files, ORC files. Okay, guys. So for that, first point, what is ORC stands for? Yes, guys. ORC is a columnar, columnar columnar storage, columnar storage file format. Okay, ORC is a columnar storage file format. ORC is recommended for, or we can say ORC file format is recommended for processing the data using Hive. What is it? Using Hive, guys. Using Hive processing tool. Hive is a processing tool here. Okay. Hive is a data processing tool. Okay. And whereas, guys, ORC stands for what? Somebody? Stands for ORC stands for what, guys? Optimized. All of you.
Optimized row column.
Yes, optimized row column columnar. Optimized row columnar. Okay. What's that? Optimized row columnar. It is called as what? Optimized row columnar. That's it. Okay. Fine, everyone. Now, guys, as it is, what I will do, first of all, as a regular and routine process, what we do, I'll create all the services, then we'll start with the process. So now mention it. What is that you want? Portal dot, everyone, portal.seo.com. So guys, start the, or else if you want directly, you can store it here. Resource group, start the Databricks, click on the create, everyone. Create it. So use the name, what's the name you want? ADB session.
Sir, please share your screen, sir.
Just a minute. Now give the name of the workspace as it is Durgasoft workspace. Click on review and again click on the create. That's it, guys. So let's wait till the time it creates. Let's wait it.
Sir? Sir?
Okay, guys, it's created. Just a minute. Now let us launch. Everyone, am audible?
Yes.
Launch it. And now let us create the cluster also. So guys, I wanted to create a cluster here with a single node. So because it's costing high for this one, so I'm just going with a single node. Performance wise is okay because ours is very the small amount of data will be using it. Huh? So cluster one, I'm using it. Okay, cluster one and single node cluster. So type of cluster, instead of standard, I'm using a single node. It makes no difference in the process. Just let us wait here, guys. It's creating. Just a minute. Wait. Okay, guys. So now it is created the cluster. I'll create a notebook. Everyone. Before the notebook is created, I want guys, everyone. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Hello. Just a minute. Just a minute. So guys got disconnected. I think so. Now, okay. I'm audible, guys. Everyone. Yeah, am I
Yes,
audible?
yes. Yes,
Just
yes.
just a minute. I need to inform again them about the host because the recording cannot be carried out. Hello. Good morning. Oh, it's recording 9 a.m. ADB.
It looks like it is still on, sir.
No, it's still on, but recording. I cannot do this recording.
Oh,
I'm not a host now. They will start the session and they will host. Give me the host. ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇవ్వండి 9 AM ది క్లాసు డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయింది మళ్ళీ రీకనెక్ట్ just a minute guys, it will happen. Okay guys, so are you able to see the screen now? Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
So now the cluster is ready. So guys, first of all, what we will do is we will create a admin console
So,
and
that has to be shared, sir.
uh, okay, ma. So first of all, what we will do is we have been to this admin console, selected an admin console to make the DBFS browser active, and go to this workspace settings. And from the workspace settings, you have to select the DBFS browser, file browser, DBFS file browser. You have to select it. So for that, come here and select the DBFS file browser, and that's it, guys. And now refresh this once. And now once it is done, click on the create notebook. Okay, so I'm reading data from ORC files. That's it. Okay, writing data from the ORC files. Click OK. That's it, guys. So now once it is done, click on the data option. Now click on the data. You have a data option here, and now see we have a DBFS, and under the DBFS, everyone under the DBFS, guys. Okay, this is about the notebook now. So just go here, data under the DBFS, guys, files, file store, tables. Now upload it because I don't have an ORC file here. Guys, what we have to do, we have to get an CSV file and then we can convert it into the ORC. So just click on this, everyone. And now, guys, once you're there, so click on this and select this. What is it? Employees, whatever the employees you have it. Just a minute. Employees info. Click on done. That's it, guys. Okay. Or else I can do one more thing now. I can add some more files also. So I can add these many files: south, employees north, employees east. Okay. So okay, now open this also. Fine, everyone.
Yeah.
Click OK. So that's it. Now take the path here. Copy the path. So guys, you know how to read the data from. Guys, you know how to read the data from what's that? This one. DF underscore EMP underscore CSV is equal to spark dot read dot CSV. What are the options you have it? Guys, apart from this, what are the comma? Header equal to true, comma, infer True. Separator is equal to comma.
Yes.
Now df underscore emp underscore csv dot show Naga, just let us wait for 2 minutes. People are joining, then we'll continue, or else we'll continue on Monday.
Yeah, sure, sir, sure. Sir, I have one, actually due to network power cut, I have disconnected. This class is recording, am I right?
Yeah, it's in recording.
Okay, okay, previous, okay, 9:15 from onwards, it is recording.
Yeah, it's recording. It's recording.
Okay, thanks.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello. So, shall you continue?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm. Okay, guys. So, tf.show. Let us run this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Capital E, sir. EMP.
No, fine. So guys, we got it. Okay. Next. Okay, let us see it next one. Now, can we convert this data frame data to the ORC file format? So guys, we can convert it, isn't it? So let's convert it. So how can we write the data to the ORC file format? So I'm writing the data, just a minute. Writing the data from data frame to ORC file format. Am I audible, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so let us go ahead. So for this, def underscore emp underscore CSV. So now guys, let us emp underscore dot write. Let's do one thing now. Instead of this employees underscore south, let's give it as employees info. Okay, guys, this file, let us take it up. Okay. So we have not uploaded the info. Just go here. DBFS, just a minute, guys. File store, employee info. It's not, yeah, no, yes. Okay, now, okay. Employee info. The physical path does not exist, it says. Let's go once more and copy the physical path. File stores, tables, copy this physical path. Yes, ma? ICAP, yeah. Now run this. Now you got it, okay? And now let us try to read it into the data frame. So for that, I'm using it df underscore emp underscore CSV write dot format. So what is the format I want to use it? I want to use a format called ORC. So use the format called ORC. And now let us partition it by the department number. Partition it by the department number. So department number. What is the department number name? DEPTNO. That's it. So now use the same column name under the quotes. That's it. Okay. By DPTNO dot save. You can give the path where you want to save it. I want to save it here only. File stores, tables, ORC data. So I think capital E now. Or else I can do one more thing. DB utils. I can create separate directory. DB utils. db utils dot fs dot mk dirs so let's just wind it up this one. I want to create a directory orc. Okay guys, okay everyone. Now run this. Partition PAR. Got it now, everyone? Now, guys, go to this.
We
Huh?
have not used that ORC folder.
ORC now.
Anyways, no problem. This should be there.
Okay, it will be there in this directly, no problem. So use it here, dbfs, file store, tables. Separate folder is also created. And there is a file created, the same department wise. Partition is done. Okay, that's it now. Or else you can also add it here. If you want to transfer it, ORC also you can add it. So under that particular directory, now this will be created. Now go and check here. dbfs, file stores, table, ORC data. See here everyone, partition by department numbers it's given here. Okay. That's it. Okay. Fine, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Now let's do one thing, reading the data again. Reading the data from ORC file. So I'm using what's it? df10 is equal to spark dot read dot format ORC dot load. Okay guys, dot load, and then now I can mention the physical path of it. So now guys, instead of this one, we have to use the physical path of above. So you have to use this one, physical path, because you want to create it using this one. You have to write it here. Okay. Now guys, let us do one thing now. Instead of this, I want to give it department wise. DEPT, is equal to 10. I want to give it department number 10. I want to write it. Okay. Now display of DF10. Let us say here. Now, what's the problem? File does not exist. ORC, sorry. Here you have to use it. ORC data. Fine, everyone. Now run this. Got it down, guys? Here you have, can you see only department number 10 is choosing here, okay? Yeah, everyone, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So only department number 10 data is displayed.
Yes.
If at all you want to read the data from particular partition, If at all you want to read it from some other partition, that is called as a partition 30. Just use it here. I'm using it as a 30. Here also use it as 30. Run this now.
Line number 2, 30.
Line number
30.
2.
There. Define it as DF30, sir, instead of DF10.
Where
Line
ma?
num- At the start of this line. You have defined no? Starting of this line, sir. Line number 2. There.
Okay, DF.
This is correct one.
That's it. So reading data from the partition. You can say reading data from ORC file partition. If you're writing it without partition, ORC file, simply what we need to do,
ORC data. There we have to stop.
that's it. Okay.
That slash.
That is nothing but we can say without partition. Fine now. So let's give it here. Just DF. Run this. Fine, everyone. Okay, without partition. Go and check here. Sorry, data. DBFS. ORC data. ORC.
So it should ideally pull all data from all the partitions.
Yes, all the partitions it's pulling up. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me just check this. So what I'm doing is, what I will do here is recent. Read. Where it was?
So it has pulled all the data, I think.
No, it has pulled all the data. Now, what I will do is, now I will write it file. ORC file. The name I'm using it as ORC file. Let us see it here.
No, where do we have that file?
Okay. Anyways, ORC data only. That's it. Okay. Reading now. So I was just looking into the writing part. Just reading.
Yeah. Oh, this is only reading. We have only loaded.
Okay.
We have to
Okay.
say write dot. Spark dot.
Okay, just a minute. So we have to write it. Okay, so I'm using it. Everyone, just have a look here. I'm reading instead of reading. I'll write it. Writing the data from the ORC file. Okay. Without partitions. Without partitions. So now, guys, I'm using it DF. That's it. Now write it down here. Instead of load, you have to use what is that? Save here. Save at this particular physical path. And now instead, tell me, ma. So use ORC file. Yes, tell me, ma. Yeah, please.
No, you are trying to write from where, sir?
ORC file only.
From the data frame?
Yes, data frame.
So you have to say df dot write.
Yes, df underscore. I'm using EMP underscore.
No, that is not required, right?
CSV.
So you have to say df
Oh, just a minute,
Df
just a minute. Not the Spark dot, no? Yes,
df
yes,
dot
yes.
write
Df dot write instead of read, let us use write.
dot format.
Okay. The df dot write dot format orc
Now
safe. That's it. Okay. So use the df. That's it now. Now it will write it. Go and check. Okay, dbfs everyone. File stores. Just a minute. File stores. orc. Where it has orc file. Open this. Can you see this is the file? Getting my point? Everyone,
Okay.
this is how it's writing up the files. That is writing in the same. Now, reading from the ORC again, ORC file. Reading data from ORC file. Use df is equal to spark dot read dot format. So use word set ORC as a format dot load. So where you have to use the path here. So just come to. So use the physical path. So the physical path I'm using it here as use the file store. I'm typing it manually. Tables slash ORC file. Is it the same one? Just check the spelling of the ORC file. This ORC file. That's it. Now I'm writing it. Now I'm reading it here again. Okay, that's it.
Is it within tables only?
Yeah. Yes, tell me with df dot show. No, first of all, what you have done CSV2, you've written ORC. Then from ORC, I'm using it here again. To data frame, I'm writing it. Okay.
Yeah, can you please scroll a little up, sir?
Sure. Tell me.
That ORC file is within tables, ORC data. That path you have to copy, sir.
Yeah. No problem. We'll give it here. ORC data. Okay.
Tables slash. After tables, we have to give a slash.
That's it. Okay. Run this. Now fine. We are able to read it. Okay. Now. So ORC file does not contain any partition. So hence it's displaying as it is. So this is the without partition you have it. Okay. That's it, guys. That's it now. Can you see here? ORC file you have it. Now I want to display the data from the, can you see here? It is without partition. Now I wanted to filter the records. I want to display only department number 20. I want to display it because this ORC file does not has any partition in it. Am I right? So how to use it? For that, yeah. So use it. Df dot, guys, everyone, just have a look here. Df dot filter. Filter. You have to use a column function of department number. So is equal to 30. We have to import it from PySpark. From PySpark dot SQL dot functions import. And star means what? All libraries you have to do it. Then if anything is there, df is equal to df dot filter. Or else if at all you want to create another data that is frame without overwriting, df2 dot show. Am I right, everyone? Yes.
Dot show.
Sorry. Dot show. That's it. Now run this. Can you see here? We can use like this. Okay. Department number 30 data is there. Okay. That's it. Now I'll use it. df4 is equal to df dot filter of df dot column name department number department number dot number is equal to 10. Okay. df4 dot show. Fine now.
Yes.
Got it now?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. So apart from the filter function, is there any other function which can filter the records?
Where?
Yes. So we can use what's that? Where. So let us use the where. Filter data using where from PySpark dot SQL dot functions. Okay. Functions where call all functions means, sorry, not the where, import functions import. Okay guys, now fine.
Yes.
df5 is equal to df dot where call of department number na. So it can give in a lowercase. Okay. df5 dot show. Only department number 20 will come now. Yes, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, this is another way. We can also write like this. Okay. df6 is equal to df dot where. This is another syntax I'm telling you guys of df dot department number. Is equal to 10 or is equal to 50. Okay. Fine, everyone. df6 dot Sure. Got it now? Guys,
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
so guys, these are the ways we can use it, okay? Okay, guys, that's it now. And apart from this, I think these are the where filter. And any other operator, just a minute, let me recollect it. Okay, that's it, guys. So we have done with this. So now, guys, just to come back, when we have this just a minute. Okay, guys. So these are the some files we have seen Azure. Okay, guys. So let's see here. Some files we have seen so far. I'll discuss those. So what are those? Azure Databricks. We have seen the following. First one is CSV files. Second one is TSV files. Third one is JSON. Fourth one is XML. Reading data from all these files you have seen now. Fifth one is Parquet. And today we have seen the ORC files. And then we have Avro files. You've seen the Avro files, guys? Yes, guys, tell me. Have you seen the Avro files?
No,
Oh.
last two we are yet to see.
Now,
Yes.
yes, Excel and Avro, I think you have to see it, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Mm.
Yes. But Parquet files we have seen. But
Already we have seen it. Parquet we have discussed.
Yeah, we discussed very well.
That's it, guys. So, and about the storages, what are the storages we have discussed? Azure storages. The Azure storages we have discussed the following: how to read the data from Azure Blob Storage. Then we have seen how to read the data ADLS Gen 2. Gen 1, anyways, it's not allowing to create, so hence I have not showed you. Else I would have showed you definitely. Azure SQL database. Azure dedicated SQL pool. That is Synapse. We have seen already this, no? So Snowflake. Snowflake we have seen now already, guys.
No, Snowflake.
Snowflake, I guess we
Mm.
saw.
Yes, we saw it.
We saw.
Cosmos DB.
Cosmos
Cosmos
we
DB.
we have
Ah.
not seen.
No, Cosmos DB we have seen.
No, Cosmos
Ah.
we have not seen, no?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, anyways, so next we will see these two files, and we'll also see the storage, how to read and write the data to the Cosmos DB. Okay, guys, everyone.
Yes.
And then we'll
yeah.
start with that. There is something but data type process. That is a type of guys, type of data processing. Type of data processing. That is type of data processing, or we can say, okay, so first one is batch processing. Batch data processing. And then we have what? Real time data processing. And then we have what's it?
So real time, are we going to see, sir?
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, what source will we consider for real time?
Tell me, pardon me.
Real time is streaming data only, right?
Yeah, streaming data only.
So what will we consider as streaming data?
We'll see at that time what to
Okay.
data and all those things. I don't decide it. Okay.
Okay.
Prayer. Then we have what the data transformation techniques is there. Data transformation techniques. Okay. So these are the things we have to just look into. Okay. So then, guys, the subject is very massive. This is very massive. Okay. Anyways, we don't compromise on the subject part. We'll try to see the maximum extent what we can. Okay.
Sure.
So, okay, guys. So let's end up the class here, and we'll continue on Monday again. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Samir, one more point, metadata. We discuss metadata?
Metadata.
Yes.
You mean to say
Metadata.
activity metadata or what?
Yes. Activity and the data governance.
We will discuss that. Not a problem. Data governance and metadata we'll discuss.
Yeah, metadata, data governance. Okay, just I want, what is the data governance like? What we do for data governance?
See, basically, when it comes to this, first of all, we have it this one, that is metadata. Okay. In the metadata, generally, what happens? You have already done this ADF also, no? Yes.
Yeah, area of yes, coding yes. No, not
Hmm.
done.
Hmm.
Metadata not.
Metadata, we have not done. We have done it already.
Okay.
Data governance is basically, where we have the management of the, processing of that is available data, security of the available data. Okay. And basically in the data governance, you will have, what is it? That is the data owners. Okay. And data custodians, all these things we will discuss in that. This type of governance we have it.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, that is we can use in any files, any we
Yeah,
can choose data source.
anywhere. Yes, any in this thing you can apply it. It's
Yeah, data
basically a
source.
processing of, managing the availability and usability, integrity, security of the data, or we can security of the enterprise system, all those things under the data governance. That is internal data standards and policies, control usage, etc. All these are the things we are going to have it on the data governance part. I'll give you some notes on this and then I will show you how the things works off. Okay.
Yeah, sure. And metadata, okay, metadata we will discuss in metadata area B also, right?
Metadata is basically, it gives the structure. Anyways, we will discuss it once more in this. What's the problem? Okay. No issue.
Yes. Yeah.
What is, I mean, what is there to discuss with metadata? I mean, I don't understand what is required over there.
See, basically, tell me, Naga.
Yes, metadata is data about data, right? That is structure of the
The
data.
structures, yes.
Yes. That means can we use data source like CSV files, TSV, JSON files? Can we use or?
We can use it already. We are using it now.
No, for metadata. But how to do that? Can you show that?
Metadata is basically here. It is impact that is packed as some activity. Okay. You mean to say in transformation you're talking about? Actually, your question is not clear to me even.
Actually, some of the.
I think you're telling about the types of metadata, descriptive metadata, preservation, there is metadata,
Yes.
administrative metadata. Okay, is it that you wanted to talk or what?
Yes, actually, I have seen one of the job description in that in ADAB, Databricks and Data Factory and metadata, data governance, they have given. Okay, but I think so.
It's actually theoretical topic, I guess, if I'm not wrong. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the types of metadata you are saying, right? That is also including the metadata.
See, basically metadata, I can tell you discuss the types. That will be a type of, theory only. Designing part and all these things, for that we need to solution architect.
Can we use here, right? ADB and ADF.
We are using it already, no?
ADB.
Actually, Naga, if you are, able to get some.
No, I have seen one of the job discussion in that one meta. They.
No, actually, if you get us what you are trying to, explain.
Well, that is nothing but.
Yeah.
Actually, even I'm not able to catch what's the point.
Data governance.
Yes. No. I pasted in that one. Okay, I have seen ADP job discussion. Okay, ADB, ADF job discussion. They asking mandatory the experience AD Azure Data Factory, Databricks, metadata, data governance.
So data governance is all about the policies and standards the company actually, sorry, they have for data governance. I mean, with whatever I know, I'm sorry, maybe Sir can explain. And the metadata is all about the date, the structure and the location where the data is available and all that information. I think both these are something to do with theory only.
Not really practically required in that.
Maybe I will also try to get some information about what you are expecting. But okay, you are trying to you are asking based on this. This job description, is it?
Yes, yes, I have seen one of the job description. They're asking these kind of things. Okay, so that's what is the metadata and the data governance? Yeah, but I don't know what is that one.
You try to read it off some theory also.
Mostly
better, no?
related to theory only it should.
You just try to read it out some theory, and you'll come to know. If you're not following, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
I will also check, Naga. I will also
yes, yes.
check.
If you have, can you please share the any documents?
Browse it on the internet, guys.
The internet, nobody has
Okay.
documents. And
Okay.
sir,
Yeah, ma'am.
can you share us some good resume for
Yeah, definitely. I can share you. I'll share you. Okay, just ping me off.
Okay.
I'll share you
But
this.
what will be the right time for us to float our resumes?
After January 15th, you start floating it. That's better.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because everything will be sorted out till then.
Okay.
After 15th of January,
Okay, sir.
you can go ahead.
Okay, so maximum concepts if we cover, we can start floating.
Yeah, we'll complete it till that time. Don't worry.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what are you saying after January 15th?
No,
Not
if at
getting-
all she wants to put the resume on the job
yes, yes.
market,
Yes.
what is the ideal time she's asking?
Okay.
Because it's a vacation time going on now.
Oh, yes, yes. Okay.
It is for that reason she's asking. So I said after 15th of January you can start, because we'll get the calls immediately. Now even if you get the call again, people will be on vacation in US, all these things. So let us
Okay.
put it after January 15th.
How's the market, sir?
The market is slow down now.
Oh, okay.
Now it is slow down since past 1.5 months to 2 months. One and a half month.
Why, sir?
It's a process.
Festival season only.
That's
or-
it. No,
Okay.
not about this thing. Not the entire whole IT market is has to slow down now.
Oh.
Not a particular software or not a particular this thing.
Mhm.
The entire IT market has slowed down. It will anyways pick up after February, I think so. January end or by February it will pick up.
Oh,
Generally every year this time it will be like this only.
okay, okay.
And I don't know whether if the COVID again comes on rise.
Why it has got
Mm.
India has 2 cases, it seems.
Not two, they have many, they are showing two.
Oh, I see.
So if such is the case, then that will be.
Mhm.
Anyways, even if this the